guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Nadula hair. They sent me over this Yaki straight wig, so today I'm going to be putting it on very quick. It's a closure, so you know these closure installs have been very quick to put on, so it's very simple. And I just passed the flat iron on it. It's very thick. So I will have the specs of this wig in my description box if you guys are interested in knowing the specs. It's thick, so I'm pretty sure it's probably like a 200% density, but it's very flowy and very soft. And it reminds me of my hair texture because it's thick. The texture of the hair itself is thick. I don't know if you could tell by looking at it. If you guys are interested in seeing how I put this wig on and just me pressing it out and fixing up the part and everything, let's get right into this video.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 SRM. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. She not the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Yeah, that ain't extreme. Yeah, hey, you ain't flying business first. Hey, you ain't drive around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel. Hey, you ain't shady nail curls. Hey, you ain't Rolls Royce car. Hey, you ain't Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want to wall it all my hole. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I want to play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you trying to steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field on the field. Hey, you want to spill in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo.
I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold on, wait a minute. All good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend. So on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone. Got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Or why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. Now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so higher or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. Just sad as shit is I'm bad as it beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up. Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up. I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing. Whatever happens, assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, laughing or yapping. I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up,
Hold up.
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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up,
Hold up.
hold up,
Hold up.
hold up.
Hold up.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting all up, daddy. I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. Super pretty, super thick, gorgeous. We love some thick hair, especially like straight hair that's thick. Wow, look at that. If you're interested in getting some thick Yaki straight, some thick, I was gonna say bundles, but this is not bundles, child. This is giving a sew-in. Okay, if you're interested in getting a thick Yaki straight wig, I will have this closure wig linked down below. All Nadula links will be linked in my description box. How many times am I gonna say link? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That really helps my engagement, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hating.